Hey guys, Technical Trouble with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the nightstand mode on iOS 17 on your iPhone, what you'll need, and how you can enable this feature so that when it's plugged in on its side like this, it will turn into a nightstand mode, which will have darker tints of color, and how you can customize that as well. So let's get started. So first thing is, of course, you have to make sure your iPhone is on iOS 17. If you didn't update it, you can simply go ahead and update the phone currently by going into your settings, and then in your settings, general software update, and you'll see the update iOS 17, which will be available for iPhone 10R or newer. Now when it comes to the standby mode, which is similar to what the night mode is, it's pretty simple. In your settings here, what you'll see here is under your settings you have standby mode. Now obviously you want to ensure that it's turned on. Now the key thing is here under night mode, you'll see here you want to enable where the night mode is on, and then the motion to wake, these should be on as well. Now the always on feature needs to be on as well, but the always on feature is only available on the 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max, and the previous generation model, the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. And that's where a little bit of issue comes in for us, which is if you don't have a phone that doesn't have always on, when you do use night mode, it's going to turn off after 20 seconds. But if you do have always on, it will always stay on. So after you have these turned on, all you'll do is make sure that your phone is connected to a charger, and then you'll lock it, and then you'll put it on the side just like that. And the first thing will happen is going to go into the standby mode. Now in order for the nightstand mode to happen, what will happen is you'll need to turn off the light, or pretty much the light has to be very low. So I'm going to turn off the light to show you how that will work. So here it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off both of my light to show you how it will activate. So right now we're still in standby mode, but as you notice here, it takes a few seconds for it to recognize there's low light, and then the color and the font turns completely red, which means it's right now in the nightstand mode. And of course, with the nightstand mode, if you do want to customize things or any of the settings, you can simply press and hold just like that, where you press and hold the screen, and you can adjust what you like to see on your screen here. Same exact thing. As you can see, you can press and hold, adjust the widgets that are available here on your finger. And I will go ahead and turn on the light here just so you can go back to the normal screen to show you how that will be done. So if you want to go back to your normal screen, like if it's daylight, as you'll notice, once I hit the day, the text goes back to normal, and that's how you use the nightstand mode on your iPhone with iOS 17. And keep in mind, this will work on the Pro lineup of 14 and the 15 for always on, but if it's phone that doesn't have always on, it will turn off about 20 seconds, and you'll have to tap to wake it, but you'll still be able to use night mode. So I hope this quick little video and explanation help you guys use the night mode on your iPhone. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.